What if the reason you keep failing isn't because you're lazy, but because your habits are being triggered before you even realize it? You wake up on a Monday morning and make a promise to yourself. This time will be different. No more endless scrolling, no more procrastination, no more wasting hours on things you know are destroying your future. For a few days, everything feels perfect. You wake up early, you stay focused, you feel like you're finally becoming the person you've always wanted to be. But then, a week later, you're right back where you started. The same habits, the same excuses, the same disappointment staring back at you in the mirror. And the worst part? You begin to wonder if you'll ever change. Most people think the solution is more discipline. They believe that if they just force themselves harder, push themselves more, and stay motivated every day, they'll finally break free. But that's exactly why they fail. Because discipline is temporary. Nobody stays motivated forever. Nobody wakes up every single day feeling unstoppable. Even the strongest people have bad days. The real question isn't how to stay disciplined. The real question is, how do you become someone who no longer needs discipline to avoid the habit? Because when a habit stops being part of your identity, the battle disappears. Let's talk about why that happens. Your brain is constantly creating associations. Every action you repeat gets connected to people, places, emotions. Think about it. You sit at your desk to study. 5 minutes later, you're checking your phone. Not because you're weak, not because you're lazy, because your brain has learned that desk plus phone equals dopamine. The same thing happens with every bad habit. The room, the people, the environment, the time of day. They're all triggers. And every trigger quietly pushes you back. You can't remove a habit without replacing it. That's why people fail. They remove the bad behavior, but leave a hole behind. And eventually, the old habit returns to fill that empty space. Replace it instead. Replace scrolling with learning. Replace mindless entertainment with creating. Replace procrastination with progress. When I stopped wasting hours consuming content, I started creating things. The more I built, the less interested I became in escaping reality. Because building your future feels better than running from it. And that's the final secret. You don't break bad habits by constantly fighting them.